16 motorcycle gadgets that are on another level. If you think motorcycle gear has peaked, think again. These 16 insane gadgets start strong and end with a game changer you won't see coming. #16. Sena Phantom ANC. Kicking off our list at number 16 is the Sena Phantom ANC, a premium smart motorcycle helmet built for riders who want safety, tech, and comfort in one clean package. This helmet features a composite fiberglass shell with EPS padding and meets DIA and FIMS 218 safety standards, giving you confidence every time you hit the road. Integrated Bluetooth speakers and a built-in microphone allow seamless connectivity for calls, music, and navigation without adding bulky accessories. Rider-to-rider communication is effortless thanks to Sena's wave and mesh intercom technology. A retractable tinted interior visor adapts instantly to changing light, while the built-in front LED flashlight and brake-sensing rear lights dramatically improve visibility. At $500, it's a high-end entry, but it sets the tone for what's coming next. 15. KDR Motorcycle USB Clamp. The 15th is the KDR Motorcycle USB Clamp, which is a small yet a necessary tool that only costs $13. Its small size is accompanied by serious charge capacity, having two fast-charging ports, USB-A QC 3.0 and USB-C PD 3.0. It means that you can charge your phone, GPS, or action camera and ride at the same time. It is slim and fits neatly on handlebars without any clutter, and IP66 water and dust shields keep the internal circuits dry. The device has integrated protective features that avoid overheating, overcurrent, and short circuits, which make it reliable even in extreme conditions. This is a simple, affordable, and highly practical charger that finds its place with ease. 14. Borleni Heated Motorcycle Gloves. Riders who like to ride in cold weather will enjoy number 14, the Borleni Heated Motorcycle Gloves, retailing between $88 and $110. Such gloves are equipped with conceptual carbon nanotube heating technology to warm your hands within 3 seconds. The heat is spread evenly on the back of the hands and fingers, topped with 3M cotton and fleece to be as insulated as possible. Waterproof design helps keep hands dry during rain or snow, and smart temperature to help extend the battery life automatically lowers or raises the amount of heat generated. They have dual power options which allow them to be run on rechargeable batteries or USB power, which is ideal in winter commuting or extended rides. 13th iMesto Motorcycle Wireless Charger. In the 13th position is a waterproof iMesto motorbike phone holder with wireless charging capabilities, Qi wireless charging, and USB Type-C port, which is compatible with 1,224 volts DC. It charges iPhones, Samsung phones, Google Pixels, Huawei, and Xiaomi, among other Qi-enabled phones, up to 7 inches. ABS and durable PVC housing is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, which keeps your phone safe during rain or snow. Universal mounting can be used on any size handlebar. There is a 360-degree rotation, which ensures that you can have a perfect view of the ground. The design of locking is advanced to maintain the stability at the speeds and over the rough terrain. 13. iMesto Motorcycle Wireless Charger. In the 13th position is a waterproof iMesto motorbike phone holder with wireless charging capabilities, Qi wireless charging, and USB Type-C port, which is compatible with 1,224 volts DC. It charges iPhones, Samsung phones, Google Pixels, Huawei, and Xiaomi, among other Qi-enabled phones, up to 7 inches. ABS and durable PVC housing is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, which keeps your phone safe during rain or snow. Universal mounting can be used on any size handlebar. There is a 360-degree rotation, which ensures that you can have a perfect view of the ground. The design of locking is advanced to maintain the stability at the speeds and over the rough terrain. 12. Max Hall Motorcycle Wheel. Chock at position 12 is the Max Hall motorcycle wheel chock, which is a necessity in the garage storage and maintenance. In very sturdy steel and powder coated, it does not rust and can hold up to 1,800 pounds. It was designed to fit 3 to 5 inches wide on the wheels, and its self-locking system is security held by the weight of the bike to prevent falling over, making it less hazardous and simple to load and unload. The integrated anchor points provide an additional stability, either in storing, transporting, or working on your bike. 11. One Tigris motorcycle helmet holder. The 11th is the One Tigris motorcycle helmet holder, a storage device costing $40 that ensures your equipment is not on the floor. This is a sturdy, wall-mounted rack that can hold up to 88 pounds and has specific hooks where the helmets, jackets, vests, and belts can be hung. It performs equally well with motorcycle helmetry as with cycling or tactical gear. It is easy to install, and compact construction occupies less space and has everything readily available. 10. Future Eyes Motorcycle Driving Light. At number 10, the Future Eyes motorcycle driving light takes nighttime visibility to the next level. Priced at $270, it features high transparency optical glass lenses with blue coating for ultra bright output. Precision cutoff lines reduce glare for oncoming traffic, while integrated strobe, turn, and horn-linked warning modes increase awareness. Built with CNC machined aluminum housing, military-grade heat dissipation, and IP67 waterproofing, these lights are designed for extreme conditions and maximum safety. 9. Radical RK14. Essay number 9 brings serious security with the Radical RK14 motorcycle disc lock. Made from hardened stainless steel with a 14mm locking pin, it's SRRA approved and tested against cutting, drilling, and impact attacks. A double locking mechanism and anti-picking core enhance protection, while uniquely coded keys allow easy replacements. The optional alarm system emits warning beeps followed by a 120 decibel alarm if movement is detected. Compact, portable, and tough, it's peace of mind in your pocket. 8. Lamical Motorcycle Phone Mount. At number 8 is the Lamical Motorcycle Phone Mount, a $29 essential for navigation and recording. Its patented vibration dampener and 4 damping springs protect your phone's camera from engine vibration damage. Shock-absorbing silicone pads keep the device secure at high speeds, while the alloy and composite construction ensures durability. Compatible with phones from 4.7 to 6.7 inches, it supports quick one-hand installation and release, making it both practical and reliable. 7. Craftsman RE 20 Cordless Tire Inflator. Number 7 is the Craftsman RE 20 Cordless Tire Inflator, a $79 tool every rider should own. Its digital display provides precise pressure readings with minimal variance, ensuring proper tire inflation every time. Battery-powered and compatible with the V20 system, it delivers up to 150 psi. The ergonomic handle and balanced design make it comfortable to use, whether you're at home or on the road. 6. Nelson Rig Adventure Tail Bag. At number 6 is the Nelson Rig Adventure Tail Bag, built for long-distance and off-road riders. Constructed from Ultramax fabric, it resists fading and harsh weather. Its generous capacity fits most adventure motorcycles, offering secure storage for essential gear. Heavy-duty buckles and straps keep it firmly mounted, while internal fastening straps prevent shifting. A MOLLE panel on top adds extra versatility for quick access items. 5. Beeline Moto. Number 5 is the Beeline Moto 2, a minimalist motorcycle GPS designed to reduce distractions. For $250, it provides a clean mini-map that displays speed, distance, and ETA at a glance. Ride planning gives you the option of scenic routes or the shortest route. The IP67 waterproof and shockproof design resists any weather, and the USB-C rechargeable battery has a lifespan up to 14 hours. Strauss, minimalist, and rider-oriented. 4. Van True F1 Motorcycle Dash Cam. The 4th entry is the Van True F1 Motorcycle Dash Cam, which is a recording system of $400 that is of a high quality. It has 2 cameras, 4K front and 1080p rear resolution, with a wide 160-degree view. IP67 waterproofing helps to be reliable in severe environments. It is one of the most sophisticated sophisticated dash cameras in the motorcycle market, which is supported by GPS tracking, mileage data, adjustable G-sensor collision detection, loop recording, OTA updates, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Third, E6 Plus Motorcycle Helmet HUD. The E6 Plus Motorcycle Helmet HUD at the third position turns any helmet into a smart riding system. It has an AR head-up display, which projects navigation, speed, calls, and music in your field of view, all at $5,000. It works perfectly with Google Maps, Apple Music, Android Auto, and CarPlay. Bluetooth 5.2 can use two phones and be compatible with Bluetooth, as well as mesh intercoms. An inbuilt rear-view camera provides an additional situational awareness. Favoto Motorcycle, cover number 2 is the Favoto Motorcycle cover, proving that simple gear still matters. At just $30, it offers 100% universal fit protection for most motorcycles. It is constructed of tough 300D Oxford and is waterproof, tear-resistant, and shielded by UV with a silver inner lining. It has lock-hole aluminum grommets, elastic cord, windproof buckles, and adjustable straps to keep your bike secure, visible, day or night. Onwin Sena 50S. First in the list is the Senai 50S, one of the most sophisticated motorcycle communication systems of all time. It has Harman Kardon tuned speakers and microphone, which provides crystal clear sound during calls, music, and navigation. One-click mesh intercom will allow communicating with groups without problems, and Bluetooth 5 will help to provide stable connections. Voice-activated assistant support keeps your hands on the bars, and fast charging delivers 2 hours of intercom use from just 20 minutes of charging. At $270, the Sena 50S isn't just number one, it's on another level. Thank you for watching. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in next video.